Hi people, this is Pietro and it's time for a new tip. Let's go! My friends, this video kind of differs from my previous ones as it is not really intended for presenters or speakers, but rather for those who are supposed to book us. And especially for those who think that it might be better not to book us. So, dear customers, welcome to my tip number 10, don't save at the wrong end. In these last months, and we are in the second year of the pandemic, I've been noticing that booking inquiries that I get are cancelled more often than usual. Even more than last year, with all its lockdowns and no vaccines around, let alone events with live audience. And the reasons for these cancellations that I get to hear are various.
Sorry, Pietro, but we want to wait until we are clear to have a live audience. Sorry. Sorry, Pietro, but we have to postpone the show until our product is ready. Sorry, Pietro, but we have to cancel the event as it clearly exceeds our budget. I'm sorry. Sorry, Pietro, but we decided not to have a presenter at all. Sorry, Pietro, but this time our marketing manager will take on the role of the presenter.
Well, the last reason, the one with the in-house person as presenter, is the one that, let's say, hurts the most. And not only because of the lost revenue, but because of the lost opportunity. A lost opportunity for the customer. I mean, of course, it happens that inside companies there really are people who are talented or have the ability and the willingness to present something or to speak in public, and who knows, maybe these people have also watched all my previous videos too. But more often than not, this is not the case. And then it happens. After the customer has invested tons of money in a professional studio or a cool location, in high-end cameras and operators, in lighting and audio specialists, in directors, in makeup artists and stuff. You know, they would be ready to deliver a hell of a show at a very high level. But then, a mediocre or even poor presentation nullifies all efforts. And the show ends up looking and feeling totally amateurish. Would you want that for your company, for your event, or for your product? Probably not. Of course, technology, the whole setup and everything I have just mentioned are important. But trust me, my friends, more than everything else, the presenter can either make or break the show. You know, it's like inviting your friends to your place for dinner, telling them that you have an amazing new kitchen, and then you serve them microwave pizza. Or having a Formula 1 car and putting a novice driver behind the wheel. You know, in the more than 15 years of my career, I have seen many high-budget productions that, because of wrong or poor personal choices, were sadly massively worse than low-budget productions with the right person on stage. The presenter is the one that keeps your audience watching and listening. He is the one that tells you stories. He is the one that conveys your message. He is the one able to confer your event that particular and important professional touch. So, before wasting too much money with some excessive special effects or superfluous props or technologies that don't really serve the cause, think about the person that you entrust to present your show. In other words, don't save at the wrong end. Dear viewers, dear colleagues, that's it for this video. I really would like to hear your experience with jobs that you ended up not doing because of such a decision. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like or find this video useful, please let me know by liking and sharing it. And should you, dear customers out there, be looking for a professional presenter who is very passionate about his job, here is what I have to offer. We will address today's topics in a lot. Tendenzi beschleunigen Entwicklungsprozesse. Vi ricordo i nostri hashtag per i vostri contributi, tipologia completamente nuova e rivoluzionaria. Cette année, nous avons un événement hybride. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.